Teachers' participation in community activities would result in two manners. Firstly, it would affect the individual behavior, and secondly, it would affect the group's behavior. Let us look at the effect of school on individuals' behavior in the community. Take the example of a teacher who participates in the community activities but does not show respect to one particular individual's cultural background or economic status or any kind of behavior related to that particular individual. In that case, the school and the teacher both are responsible for bringing that change in the individual's behavior because of the participation in community activities. Just take an example of a festival going on in a school in which everybody is celebrating Eid. There are some students who do not have the privilege of making new clothes for the festival. If the teachers are encouraging the students to be wearing their new clothes in the school, then the teacher has to have an understanding that there might be some children in the school who would not be able to afford getting a new dress. So either the teacher helps the student and supports the student to get a new dress if it can be possible, or the teacher needs to spread the idea that it is not only the new clothes which matter to celebrate Eid, it is the spirit which needs to be shared with everybody, and the celebration is made in order to share happiness. It is not an emphasis on wearing new clothes or spending more money. It has been noticed that teachers give some instruction which put the students who cannot afford in a very embarrassing situation, and they do not like to participate in the community activities because they come to know that they do not have the standing to do what has been told by the teacher. Similarly, the effect of the teacher's behavior in a positive manner can really result in the individual's change in his personality to be more confident. If the teacher encourages every student to participate in any occasion or event in a very normal way and does not exaggerate the expectations of the school and the teacher, and does not put any student in some sort of a complex or embarrassment, that means that teacher is bringing a positive change in the individual. Also, let us look at the effect of school on groups' behavior in the community. So there is a group in the community which belongs to a different or a particular set of traditions and culture. The school needs to respect that culture and encourage them to participate in the community and school activities. Equal importance has to be given to each group in order to let them display their culture. For example, one way of doing that is that sometimes there are groups in school who share a different type of taste for food. The school should encourage the students to display the pictures of their food or the way they eat their food, the manners they require to have their food, and appreciate all those activities so that the group gets more confident that they are being acknowledged by the school.